Guys, today we're going to be making a video in Orlando, Florida. So we came to Louisa Lake State Park and we're on a paddle boat. We're kind of nervous because there's alligators here, but we're watching out for them, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're in the Louisa Lake. We're gonna be going to the swampy area, swimming around, and
there's Mama.
There's my mom. And my dad.
Yeah.
Blind gardener.
The blind gardener channel.
Yeah. We're on our vacation in Florida. And see you in our next clip. We're getting closer to the area where there's a lot of lilies.
Something red. Is it flowers? Red flowers?
I don't know. Here's the dock. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video of our vacation. It was really fun. I guess it was a pretty short video, but subscribe and leave a like, share this video with your friends, and bye.